connected.
I wonder, yeah, I wonder why the earth is round. I wonder why the ocean blue. I wonder, true. I wonder. I often sit and wonder why. How come I still think about you? I wonder. I wonder. I wonder why the earth is round. I stare at the ocean view. I wonder. I wonder. I often sit and wonder why. How come I still think about you? I wish I knew. Why does the moon glow if the sun shines? Why I spit heat but I'm unsigned? Why enforce a law that you don't abide? Throw a man in prison from your own supply. What's this feeling that I'm feeling? Maybe praying's why. But am I talking to myself or the man most high? How come all my friends steady getting high? Was it something that I said? Why'd I get denied? Why you self-consumed? Why you hide behind the lie? Sick and unimmune to the chaos and divide. Why are we confused, filled with foolish sense of pride? Tell me why democracies matter more than black lives. No mic matters anytime I spit a rhyme, that's facts. You see the picture like an IMAX. Rappers taken back by the weight that I max. Caught myself trapped in rap culture's fly trap. Why do trash rappers brag when they lines whack? They steady playing games for attention, they react. Why she give her number if she never texts me back? The answer to that question's in the line before the last. Why against the wall is my back position too? Black and blue, life's a bitch when reality smacking you. How come it's why me anytime it happens to you? She said why your asshole's always all I'm attracted to, dude? Why you say you love her, the passion distracted you? When you hit it out the park like Big Poppy a bat would do. Where's the value in my dollar when paying them taxes?
Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. About others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. About to turn this franchise around on a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise, I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane, pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and Expect nothing less, your check is I'm chess. What's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon. No coming in second, this life is a lesson. He got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. Now leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place. I wanna be first, work till it hurts. Dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes.
Think I need another round. When it all goes down, when it all goes down, tell me, are you there, my pal? Can you hear me through the wind? Can you hear me through the sound? Think I need another round. When it all goes down, when it all goes down, tell me, are you there, my pal? Can you hear me through the wind? Can you hear me through the sound?
Up and down with these waves, I'm not riding trends. Just a lonely island kid with dreams bigger than your heads and egos. Came from the underground to zeros. Didn't need a face tag to show you that I'm here though. Steer, skater, freaky geek, having peaked from this ecstasy and tree. Island chillin', baby, I'm the pilot of my dreams. So don't you tell me who I be. Lately I've been buzzing like a bee. Got a problem, fuck your energy. I've been finding peace. Need another round for the people that be hating. See, won't you wait and see? Megamorphin, I'ma be a king. Say it started with a dream, nah, I'm just being me.
Think I need another round. When it all goes down, when it all goes down, tell me, are you there, my pal? Can you hear me through the wind? Can you hear me through the sound? Think I need another round. When it all goes down, when it all goes down, tell me, are you there, my pal? Can you hear me through the wind? Can you hear me through the sound? Think I need another round. When it all goes down, when it all goes down, tell me, are you there, my pal? Can you hear me through the wind? Can you hear me through the sound? Can you hear me through the wind? Can you hear me through the sound?
It's sunset on Friday, I'm stuck on the highway. It's been a while. I'm late to the party, you already started the sparkling wine. I need to find a spark to keep me from the dark. I'm looking for a fire star tonight to light me up all around. 'Cause you're the only one I'm thinking of. Don't let me burn to the ground. I wasted time, these city lights, still I can't get you out my mind. I need a fire star tonight. I'm looking for a I'm down in the mirror with perfume and glitter. I'm on the way. Feels like I'm 16. Your blue eyes and ripped jeans. What can I say? As long as there's a spark to keep me from the dark,